So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find this determinant 1 plus I plus omega square, 1 minus I minus 1 omega square minus 1 minus I minus 1 plus omega minus I and minus 1. So how do I find this determinant? You can directly expand this determinant, but a better way is to use some properties of determinant, some column operations or row operations. So one of the row operation which looks obvious is R2 becomes R2 minus of R1 plus R2. So if I do this operation, what does R2 become? So let us see. R2 is R2 minus of R1 plus R2. So if I do R1 plus R2, I get 1 minus I. If I add these two, R1 plus R3. R2 minus of R1 plus R3. So if I add R1 plus R3, I get 1 minus I. So if I add these two, 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, I minus I gets cancelled. Omega plus omega square, that is minus 1. And omega square minus 1. This is R1 plus R3. And what is R2? R2 is 1 minus I minus 1 omega square minus 1. So if I subtract these two, you get 0, 0, 0. So R2 becomes 0. So you get 1 plus I plus omega square. If you do this operation, R2 becomes 0, 0, 0 minus I minus 1 plus omega minus I minus 1 is equal to 0 because one of the row is completely 0. So answer A is the right option. Thank you.